Hindi, nagtubon ako.
Teacher!
Good. Hello. How are you?
Right? It is great.
Wow.
My sister, my aunt went to my home.
Wow, really?
Yes, my sister, my aunt today is coming to my home.
Oh, coming to your house. And what did you do there? What did you do?
Play.
Oh, did you eat yummy food?
Yes.
Wow. You love, yeah. What is your favorite food? You love chicken? Do you love chicken? Do you love chicken, Ken? Oh, what's that? Wow, it's yummy. Yummy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Now, Ken, let us start dancing. Go, Ken, dance. Okay, dance. Oh, here, like that. Look at teacher. Dance, Ken. Oh, very good. Like that. Oh, wow, very good, Ken. Okay, enough. Okay. Okay, let us have the lesson now. Okay. Now, Ken, our lesson is about Ken and about Teacher Ann. Okay. Yay. Now, look at this one. Okay. Can you see this, Ken? Do you like music, Ken? You don't like music, but you dance with Teacher Ann. You don't like
Dance.
Oh, but you're dancing with teacher. Why you dance with teacher? Because?
I'm dancing.
Do you like to sing?
No.
Oh, what do you like? Do you like to play?
No.
Oh, you don't like to play with teacher?
Yeah.
Do you like to study?
No.
Oh, you don't like to study with me again? Do you like to study? Oh, very good. Okay, here. Now, Ken, look at this one. Look at the pictures, Ken. Can you see what's in the picture? What is this? Is this man a good man? Good at singing? Look at this picture.
No, it is a monster.
Ah, it's a monster. Does it looks like a monster? It looks like a monster, Ken? It looks like a monster?
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. Okay, here, look at teacher. The man sing very badly. Again, the man sing very badly. Oh, they don't like the voice of the man because that man sing very badly. Okay, badly. Yes? Yes, Ken?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, later we'll play later, okay? Let us just study first, okay? Okay, now Ken, look at the pictures, okay? Okay, look at this one, slowly, quickly. What do you mean by the word slowly? What's that? What is slowly? Quickly.
It is quickly like a car, slowly like a snail.
Yeah, very good. That's my good. Very good. Yay. Quickly is like a car, very fast. But the slowly is just like look at the snail.
It is a snail.
It's a snail. The snail is very slow, right? Okay.
Yeah.
How about the man here? Is the man driving slowly or quickly? Look up the man.
Slowly.
Slowly. How about, what is this, Ken? The little one?
It is Teacher Anne.
Ah! Teacher Anne is slowly. Teacher Anne looks like a turtle. Teacher Anne is slowly. Look at Teacher Anne. Look at Teacher Anne. Very slow. This is Teacher Anne and this is Ken Ken. Oh my God. Teacher Anne is walking. And Ken Ken is driving a car. Okay. Where are you going, Ken?
I'm playing Spider-Man.
Okay. Here, look at this one. Okay. That man is driving very slowly, very slow. Okay. Now, we have here, okay, look at this one. We have here vocabulary words, slowly, quickly. You know already, you tell Teacher Anne, slowly is like a snail. Quickly is like a car. It's so fast. Now, pick up. Can you read it, Ken Ken?
Pick up slowly. Say hello slowly.
Okay, I will say hello slowly. Okay, look at teacher. I will say hello slowly. Hello. Oh, that's slowly. Open your book. No. What will you say?
No.
What will you say?
Say hello slowly. No.
Oh, no. Oh, you're shouting. Ken Ken, it's not like that shouting. Slowly. Hello. Oh, like that.
No.
Slowly. Oh, slowly is not shout. Look at this one. When you open your book quickly, how you will open your book quickly? Can you show me how? Okay, show teacher how to open your book quickly. Okay, yeah? Very good. It's how you open your book quickly. Yeah, very good. You put up your hand quickly. What do we do? Show me how you put your hand quickly. Ken, you show me how you put your hand quickly.
Look this.
Yeah. Now, show me how you put your hands quickly. Yeah, yummy. How you put your hands quickly. Yeah, very good. Very good, Ken. Okay. Now, what do you think, Ken? You will answer yes or no, okay? Now, here. People in my country drive slowly. Yes or no?
I don't see anything.
Yes or no? People in my country drive slowly? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it's up to you. Yes. Everyone in my family talks quietly.
No.
No. Who talks fast? Who?
Me.
Oh, yeah. You're the fast talker. Okay. I always carry things carefully. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. My parents dance very badly.
Yeah.
Okay. Our teacher sings very well. Teacher Anne sings very well.
No.
Oh, teacher don't know how to sing. Our class is learning English very quickly.
Yeah.
Music is better when people play it loudly. Like, ah, ah, ah. Is it better when you play it very loud?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's... Oh, do you think it's better? Do you think it's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, when you... Oh, how about when you do it slowly? Can you do it slowly?
Yeah.
Okay, listen. Very good, Ken Ken. Give me 5, teacher Kendall. Come here. Give me 5. Very good, my Ken Ken. Love, love, teacher Ann. Okay, here. Okay. Okay. Look at this one, Ken Ken. My favorite band make a good music. They play music very well. Okay. We will not say Ken goodly. You will not say my favorite band make good music. They play music very goodly. No, there is no word as goodly. The right word is well. Ken Ken is a smart boy. She can talk well. You will not say Ken. Ken Ken is a smart boy. He can talk goodly. No. There. There.
Hello.
Okay, where have you been? Okay, it's in the ref. Okay, next one again. You will not say Ken Ken is a smart boy. He talks goodly. No, it's not wrong goodly. He talks very well. Okay, Ken?
He talk well very goodly.
Yeah, okay, here, next. There are 3 pairs of opposites here. 3 pairs of opposites.
I can see 2 pictures of you.
Ken, for a while.
Mẹ ơi, cô nói tiếng Nhật Bản nha.
Okay, Ken, because there is happening outside. Okay, so there are 3 pairs. 3 pairs of opposites here. Look at this one, the 3 pairs. Look at teacher. Okay, there are 3 pairs of opposites here. 3 pairs. First pair, listen to teacher. First pair is that, look at the first pair. Okay, the first pair is slowly, quietly, badly. Okay, first, look at the first pair, Ken. Slowly and quickly. You know this. The snail is slow and the car is quick. Very good. You understand this. How about quietly and badly? Quietly and loudly. What is quiet? Quiet is don't talk. Okay, Ken, here, listen to teacher. Listen, teacher Ann. Ken.
It's so,
Okay.
it's so evil.
Okay, quietly, what is quiet? Quiet is? Ken. Oh, no talk like teacher. Look at teacher Ann. Quiet. Oh, you will not talk. How about loudly? What is loud?
Wait me a minute. The baby is angry.
Okay. quietly, Ken. Quietly, quiet. It means, how do you keep quiet? You show teacher Ann. Oh, what is loudly? Loudly. Very good, my boy Ken. How about badly? What is badly? What is well? Well, what is well? Yeah, very good. I love you, Ken. Okay, Ken, give me 5, teacher Ann. Where's the can? Where's the hand of Ken? Give me 5, teacher. Very good. Okay, I will tell you. Listen to Ken. Listen to teacher. I have something important to tell you. I will tell to your mom that you are very good. You want that?
Yes.
Okay. I will tell your mom that Ken is very good today. You want that, Ken? You want that? Okay. You want to be very good with teacher. I will tell your mom. Okay? Yay! My Ken very good. You keep out here. Next, Ken. Okay, look at this one, Ken. Okay, look at this one. Find the word that start with these letters in the picnic pictures. Okay. Okay. Ken? Look at this one, Ken. Look at the picture. And I will tell you, Mom, you're very good tonight. Ken? Okay. Look at the picture, Ken. Okay. Ken, find the words that start with this. Find the words, Ken, that start with letter C, that start with letter D, and that start with letter P. It's here in the picnic. You tell me. Okay, go, Ken.
Quack, quack, quack.
Okay, Ken. What the word that start with letter C? First letter C.
Cow.
Okay, let's see. Okay, cow. Where's the cow here? Okay. Another that starts with letter C. Teacher will write.
Duck.
Okay, here. Wait, letter C. Sorry, Ken. Letter C. What's cow? Castle. What else?
Noel.
Letter Q.
Handcar.
How about car? Do we have car?
No.
Car.
Yeah.
Okay. How about letter D?
Dog.
Very good, Ken. Duck. What else, Ken?
Panda.
Letter P. Letter P is panda. It's letter P. What's the letter B? Panda. What else, Ken?
Palm tree.
Palm tree. Oh, there's a palm. Oh, you see a palm tree? Is that a palm tree?
Palm.
Okay, what else, Ken?
Duck.
Duck? Duck, sorry. Duck and a dog. What else, Ken? Doll. Is there a doll? Yeah, there's a doll. Yeah, very good. What else, Ken? Dog. Oh, there's a dog. Letter Q.
Sandwich.
How about pineapple? How about It's not letter, only the letters. Okay, find word that start with these letters. Start letters, not sound. How about pineapple? Can you see the pineapple?
No.
Here. This one. It's in this one. What else?
Pineapple.
Only
It's in a t-shirt.
a t-shirt. There's a pineapple in the t-shirt. Okay, how about this? What is this?
Car.
This one, the small one. What's this?
Camera.
Okay, very good. It's camera. What else, Ken?
Shoe.
Oh. How about this one, Ken? This one, what is this?
Cup.
Oh, very good, Ken. And how about... is there any other? What's this? It's a bag. Okay, so let's see if our answers is correct. Okay. Okay, look at this one. Oh. Okay, look at this one. It's the castle. It's the kite. It's the guitar. It's the pineapple. Okay, here. Okay, these are the things that begin with letter C. Okay. Now, Ken, do you know how to draw the line? You're very good with this, right? Okay, lesson, Ken, and let me draw the line. Okay, before that, okay, teacher here. Okay, look at this one. I can see something in these pictures that begins with letter G. You can play music on it. What's the answer, Ken?
City.
Begins with letter G. Letter G. Look at what's in the picture. What is this?
Guitar.
Very good, Ken. Something that you can take in the park and fly. That begins with letter K. What's that? Kite. I can see something at the back of the picture. It's big and old. It begins with letter C. At the back of the picture, it's big and old.
Castle.
Very good, Ken. Wow. And I will tell your mom you are very good tonight. You want me to tell your mom? You want me? I will tell your mom you are very good tonight. You want it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, here, Ken. Now, Ken, you listen and draw a line. Oh, I know you know how to draw the lines. Okay, lesson, Ken.
I can draw the line.
Like this. You try to draw the lines.
I can
29D. About us.
Okay. Just listen
Look at the
carefully.
picture. Listen and look.
Okay. If you don't know how to draw the line, just listen and I will ask you question after. Okay?
About us. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
This looks fun, May.
Yes, Mr. Fly. We all went for a picnic by the lake. Can you see Bill, the boy with the camera? He's very good at taking photos.
Oh, and what's that on his t-shirt?
It's a pineapple. He likes wearing funny clothes.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
And who's that? The man with the guitar?
Oh, that's Tony. He's a friend of my dad's.
Is he good at playing the guitar?
No, and he plays very loudly.
2.
And there's my Aunt Mary,
Which one's she?
the woman who's eating the sandwich.
And sitting on the ground?
Yes, she's great at making picnics.
3.
And can you see that girl? The one next to the cow?
Which one? There are 2 girls there.
The taller one. That's my cousin, Vicky. She's carrying her new radio very carefully.
Oh, yes. Do cows like music?
I don't know.
4.
And who's the girl holding the comic?
That's Sally. She's one of my cousins.
What's she doing on that rock?
She's looking for fish, but they swim very quickly.
5.
And there's my dad in the orange t-shirt. His name's John. He wants an ice cream.
Do they have ice creams at that castle?
Yes, but he had to walk very slowly
Why?
because we hid his shoes.
Ken, you want to listen again?
Yeah.
Okay, please tell me where are the people? Okay, here.
29D. About us. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
This looks fun, May.
Yes, Mr. Fly. We all went for a picnic by the lake. Can you see Bill, the boy with the camera? He's very good at taking photos.
Oh. And what's that on his t-shirt?
It's a pineapple. He likes wearing funny clothes.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
And who's that? The man with the guitar?
Oh, that's Tony. He's a friend of my dad's.
Is he good at playing the guitar?
No, and he plays very loudly.
2.
And there's my Aunt Mary,
Which one's she?
the woman who's eating the sandwich.
And sitting on the ground?
Yes, she's great at making picnics.
3.
And can you see that girl? The one next to the cow?
Which one? There are 2 girls there.
The taller one. That's my cousin, Vicky. She's carrying her new radio very carefully.
Oh, yes. Do cows like music?
I don't know.
4.
And who's the girl holding the comic?
That's Sally. She's one of my cousins.
What's she doing on that rock?
She's looking for fish, but they swim very quickly.
5.
And there's my dad in the orange t-shirt. His name's John. He wants an ice cream.
Do they have ice creams at that castle?
Yes, but he had to walk very slowly
Why?
because we hid his shoes.
Okay. Okay, Ken. So I will ask you a question now. Where is Bill? Where is Bill?
Bill is wearing a red t-shirt and eating some fish.
Oh, okay, next. Where is Tony?
Tony is playing the guitar.
Playing the guitar. And again, where's Vicky?
Vicky is having a radio.
Okay, she's carrying the radio carefully because it is new. What's the color of the dress of Vicky?
It is pink.
Very good. And where is Sally?
Sally is having a picnic with a dog.
Ah, Sally is having a picnic with a duck. Okay, he is holding. What is Sally's holding?
It is a sandwich.
Oh, she is holding what? What is Sally's holding? She's holding. It's a comic. Okay. Where is John? Where is John?
John is flying the kite.
Oh, are you sure John is playing the kite? Or John is the one who will go to the castle and get ice cream? Oh, what's that? Okay, I will show you. Oh, very good. That's Tony. And what's... Oh, this is Vicky. And where's John? Oh, John is here. John is very slow in walking. And he wants to go to the castle because he wants to eat ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
No.
Oh, why you don't like ice cream? How about chocolate? You like chocolates?
No.
Oh, you don't like chocolates also? Oh, what Kinkin likes? Kinkin likes? Kinkin likes what? Kinkin likes fish?
Pizza.
Oh, pizza. Wow. And teacher Ann also likes pizza. I love pizza, Kinkin. Okay. Here, look at the one I told you. Okay. Okay, here we have John. We have Mary. We have Sally. We have Tony. And we have Bill here. Okay. Next one, Ken. Very good. Look at, read the story. Okay, can you read the story now? This is about, okay, John's trip to castle. I told you that John wants to eat ice cream. So look at what happened to John in the castle. Okay, can you read it? Please.
It's a funny. I walked to the castle slowly. My feet hurt because I didn't have any shoes. When I got to the castle, I bought a big lemon ice cream because I was hot and hungry, but then because I did it quickly and I dropped it.
I was angry.
And afraid that I slept. I slept then on the you read.
Okay. I sat down and I sit inside the...
You read as the I walk. You read.
Okay, you will go where? Okay, I'll be the one to read. Okay. I was angry. Oh, listen to teacher because teacher is the one who read for you. Okay. John's trip to the castle. Listen. I walked to the castle. What is your answer? Slowly. My feet hurt because I didn't have any shoes. When I got to the castle, I bought a big lemon ice cream because I was hot and hungry. But then, because I didn't hold it carefully, I dropped it. I was angry after that. I sat down on a seat inside the castle. Look at John. Because I was really tired after my long walk. I fell asleep. Okay, and I had a dream. In my dream, a monster came into the castle, looked at me, and then shouted something what's the answer?
Loudly.
Very loudly. I was blank.
Surprised.
I was surprised, but I was not
Afraid.
afraid or frightened because the monster smiled at me and he took me in the castle kitchen and gave me lots of lemon ice cream in a big or bigger pink ball.
Big.
In a big pink ball. I didn't drop my ice cream on the floor again.
I dropped.
Okay, because I didn't eat it very carefully. I ate. Very good. Okay. Is the monster true or not true?
True.
Okay. Where did John see the monster?
In the sea.
In the castle. And then, in the sea. Oh, look at that one. Look at the picture. Is it real? Why John is sleeping?
Because he is not busy at all.
Oh, she's very busy. What makes him busy?
Because the monster is scary. He has 5 eyes, 2 mouths, 6 nose, and 8 legs.
Oh.
Some body like a hedgehog.
Oh, and then what happened? Why he is tired? Because did he walk fast or slow?
He walks fast because
Fast? Are you sure fast?
yes, because
No.
because the mouse is chasing him.
Ah, but how about the story? Did he walk so fast or so slow?
Fast.
Oh, it's not in the story that it's fast. In the story, it said, I walked to the castle slowly. Because, why he walked so slowly? Because his feet, Ken, why do they have to walk slowly? Because
the mouse is chasing him.
okay, no. Look at this one. Because the feet is, Ken. My feet is hurt. Yeah. That's why he walked so slowly. That's what happened. Why he walked so slowly. Okay. So how about you, Ken? Okay. Do you want to see a monster? Do you want to see a monster, Ken?
No.
No,
Yes,
teacher.
I want to attack the monster because I am not afraid of anything.
Oh, so you are very brave. Are you brave? Wow, very brave. So you want to attack the monster. Because Ken Ken is very brave. Oh, wow. I love you, Ken Ken, because you are very brave now. How about Teacher Ann? Do you think Teacher Ann is brave or no?
Teacher Ann is brave.
Wow.
Not brave.
Oh, not brave, teacher. Teacher, you're not brave. Only Ken Ken is brave. What do you want me to tell to your mom?
Great.
Oh, no. What will I tell to your mom? Will I tell to your mom that you're listening today or no?
Listening.
Oh, you have to listen every day because I want to tell your mom that you are listening today. Oh, that's great, right, Ken Ken? Do you like to listen every day?
Yeah.
Do you like listening every day?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good that you want to listen every day. Okay. So here, Ken, where is it? Where is Teacher Ann showing to you? Okay, here. Now, Ken asks and answer questions. Okay. Can you swim, Ken?
No.
No. Are you good at running?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Can you cook, Ken?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, very good. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Are you good at shouting, Ken?
Yeah.
Oh, can you shout? Okay. Do you eat slowly or fast?
Eat slowly.
Slowly. Okay, now. Play the game, draw a sentences. Okay, here. The sentences are all about animal that is doing something. Again, it is all about animal that is doing something. Okay, here. An elephant is skating slowly. Is it true?
No.
Oh, can the elephant skate?
Yeah.
Do you think elephant can skate? Can?
Yeah.
Oh. Can the monster smile? Can?
Yeah.
Oh, can you see me? Okay. Can you show me how the monster smile?
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay. So, can the giraffe fly?
Yeah.
Giraffe? Are you sure?
Yeah, because the giraffe have a long neck.
Oh, but it has a long neck. I knew, but it cannot fly. My God. Giraffe can't fly, can. It cannot fly. Oh, yes. Another. Okay. So your homework, I will tell you about this. I will take a pictures and I will send it to your mom. Look at the picture and answer the question. This will be your homework. You will have to send it to me in Zalo, okay? In Zalo, you will have to send it to teacher and take a pictures and send it in Zalo. Okay, Ken? Do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay.
No problem.
What's that? Okay, I will take a pictures of this and then I will send it in the Zalo.
To your mom.
Oh, to your mom, of course. Your mom should know what are you doing in front of me. Is Ken listening? Your mom will ask me. What will I say? What?
Yeah.
What will I say? Is Ken listening, teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, so don't be or you keep on listening to teacher because your mom might ask me, is Ken listening, Teacher Anne? Yes, she's listening. Okay, here. So, Ken, do you have any question, Ken? You have questions or no?
No.
Okay, so for now, Teacher Anne will say goodbye to Ken boy. Bye-bye, Ken.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Love, teacher. Bye-bye. Good night, Ken.
Ulalila.
Oh, look at teacher. Good night, Ken. Smile, Ken, smile. Smile, Teacher Anne, smile. Okay, bye-bye. Love, teacher. Bye-bye.